Underneath the giant oak tree, Barnaby was sleeping deep. Then a sound came from the forest, waking him up from his sleep. It wasn't one, it wasn't a bird. A funny sound was all he heard.
BOING!
Flick the fox said, follow me. I know just what that sound could be. Squeaky the squirrel joined them too. I think I have a clever clue. They checked the tree, they checked the ground, but that tricky bouncy sound, BOING! Was always somewhere new. They tiptoed through the ferns and leaves, peeking through so carefully. And what they saw made their eyes wide. A mushroom patch glowing inside, and on the biggest one so green, the tiniest frog they'd ever seen. BOING! Their shock then turned into a smile. They laughed and giggled for a while.